Welcome to our review of the Shluce Light Fixtures Ceiling Mount, a stylish and durable lighting option for your home. This fixture measures 11.8 inches long by 5.3 inches high and features a sturdy metal frame with rustic wood trim for a farmhouse look. Installation is simple as it comes pre-assembled with all mounting hardware and clear instructions included. It supports two E26 bulbs up to 60 watts each, compatible with dimmer switches for adjustable lighting. The black finish is treated with a multi-layer paint process to resist rust and damage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Perfect for kitchens, hallways, bedrooms, or living rooms, this flush mount fixture adds a vintage charm to any space. Shluce also offers a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support for peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.